Hi guys! Today we'll see how to create a special incline top using the material and component features. First, take a rectangle and draw a rectangle on the top surface. Then, use the offset tool and set it to 750 millimeters. Now, with the help of the push-pull tool, give an extrusion of 600 millimeters. Next, using reference lines, draw some guidelines at a distance of 200 millimeters, along with a midline. Now take the line tool and draw an inclined shape following the guides. Once done, use the push-pull tool to extrude the inclined shape. Now, take the light strip option, set the strip properties, adjust the size, and confirm the settings. Finally, place the strip on the edge of the inclined surface. And that's it. The inclined top with a light strip is now ready.